Welcome to our channel. Today we how to use RealEstateMall for listing your home detailed guide step by step clearly. To begin listing your home on RealEstateMall, open your web browser and navigate to the RealEstateMall website. If you do not have an account, click on the sign up button to create one. Fill in your details on the sign up form, including your name, email address, and phone number. After completing the form, check your email for a verification link and click on it to activate your account. Once your account is activated, log in using your email and password. After logging in, locate the List Your Property button on the homepage. Click on that button to start the listing process. You will be prompted to select the type of property you are listing, so choose residential or commercial based on your needs. Next, input the address of your property, including the city, state, and zip code. Fill in details about your home, such as the number of bedrooms, bathrooms, and square footage. Upload high-quality photos of your property to enhance your listing. Ensure that your images are clear and showcase the best features of your home. Add a catchy title for your listing that captures attention. In the description section, write a detailed and engaging description of your property. Highlight key features such as upgrades, nearby amenities, and the overall appeal of your home. Set a competitive price for your property based on market research and comparable listings. Specify any additional terms or conditions related to the sale, like whether you are open to negotiation. Once all fields are completed, review your listing for accuracy and completeness. When you are satisfied, click the Submit Listing button to make your property live. Your listing will now be visible to potential buyers on the RealEstateMall platform. Monitor your listing for inquiries and respond promptly to interested buyers. Consider updating your listing if there are any changes, such as price adjustments or added features. Keep your listing active and continue to promote it through various channels for better visibility. With these steps, you are now equipped to successfully list your home on RealEstateMall. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.